Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Toyota Highlander. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.